Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set time on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to system. And system, okay, go to date and time. And date and time, okay, you can see the set time, okay. The set time is 4:53 p.m. And okay guys, to change the set time, okay, tap the set time. And the pop-up bar show, now you can set the time. Okay, for my example, I set into 6 p.m., okay. And okay guys, so after you set the time, okay, tap the okay button. And that's it, okay? We have successfully set the time on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.